y'all, it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. This video is a trunk club unboxing and try on, and this one may be my favorite one, with the exception of, okay, so back in like around New Year's Eve time, maybe like November, December, Carson, my stylist, sent a box full of sequins pieces, and that box was just beautiful. This one is a full-on summer box. I asked Carson for linen things, and she definitely delivered. I think everything in here may be linen. I'm not sure. Okay, if you're not familiar with Trunk Club, it is a Nordstrom clothing subscription service. $25 every single box that you get. That selling fee is not credited toward whatever you keep, so keep that in mind. But since it is linked to a department store, anything that's on sale in store, you get it for the sale price in your box. So it's not like they're going to send you a pair of $80 pants and you pay 80 bucks for them and you could walk in store and find them for 50. If they're on sale in store or online, you're going to get the sale price. First thing, let's talk about this dress. This is the brand Caslon. It's in a size 18, and I just love these colors. They're so pretty, like so light, and that reminds me of summertime. It is like a little bit shorter at the bottom, but it's meant to be like that. I'm pretty sure it was shorter like that on the model. I love the high neck and the thick straps on this because you can wear a proper bra with this. Now it fits everywhere fine. The chest is a little bit snug, but I don't mind it being that snug. I just love this. So this is called the Smocked Cotton Maxi Dress in a size 18. Pink plaid is the color, and it is $69. So what I did this box too is I tried to pair pieces together for a complete outfit. So one thing may not really match that great, but that's what I did. So the next thing I'm going to show you is an outfit. We're going to start with a white top with a little bit of embroider on the shoulders, and then these olive green linen joggers. We'll get to those. Let's do the top first. So this is also the brand Caslon in a size 2X. I didn't realize that this was linen whenever she gave me the preview on the app. And this is beautiful. This is such a good feeling shirt. You know, like when you put it on your body, it just feels really nice. Everything fit well. The lower part of the shirt, like around my hips, was a little bit snug. But I know linen tends to stretch a little bit, so I don't hate it a little snug, because I do think that it will eventually stretch out just a little bit, maybe just enough. This is called the Caslon Embroidered Shoulder Top. 2X is the size, $59. Now let's talk about these joggers. These may be my favorite thing in the entire box. This color is gorgeous. Caslon, also the brand. These are in a size 20, and they are $59. They're called the Drawstring Linen Joggers. Olive is the color. These feel phenomenal. They are so soft. They have proper pockets in the back. I was excited for these when I saw them on the app because I knew that they would be soft and comfortable, and they definitely are. I love like the little stretchy bit around the ankle. Like this would be cute to lounge around the house, or it would be cute like with a white top like I'm wearing in the video, a similar style top with just some sandals, like some slides, would be really cute. These are so comfortable, and I love them. Next outfit is linen striped beautiful shorts with a like pink color cold shoulder top. So let's talk about the shorts first. These are the brand Caslon in a size 2X. They're a little bit snug around the hips, but I absolutely love the color, like the stripes and everything on them. They feel great. I think a size larger I would like a little bit better. However, I did just buy a pair of linen like tan and white striped shorts from Belk for, I think they were like $20 or $30. So while these are pretty, I don't need them, and they're a little bit snug. So that kind of leads me to not keep them. These are called the striped linen shorts in a size 2X. The color is beige Annabelle multi-stripe, and they are $49. This top is also really, really soft. It's the 2 by Vince Camuto brand in a size 2X. Something about it just kind of threw me off a little bit. I don't know if it's the fabric. Like, it's not a clingy material fabric, and I like that, but it's just, it's a weird fabric. Let's see if I can find what it is. So it's 100% cotton. That shouldn't feel weird on my body. So this is called the lightweight cold shoulder top. 2X is the size, Rosetto is the color, $69. This outfit definitely does not go together, but we'll roll with it. It's a blue and white striped button up, and then a pair of like burnt orange colored shorts. These are the brand Leith in a size 3X. What fabric are these? Because these may be... These are 51% linen, 48% rayon, and 1% spandex. These are too big for me, I think. They do unbutton. I didn't have to unbutton them. I just slid them up. I think they're just a little bit big for me, and I don't know if I really like the style. All right, so these are called the button front shorts. Tan is the color, in a size 3X, and they're $55. Now, this top I was also very excited for in my preview. It's Treasure and Bond in a size 2X. It's a little bit see-through, but it's so light and soft. And I love that like the sleeves are shorter. I don't know. I have a lot of tops that are those 3/4 length sleeves that you roll up and kind of button. And throughout the day, I find that they just don't look as great as they did when you first put it on. So I like that this one's short. This could be cute with some white denim, like some denim crop jeans like those ones I have from Walmart. So this is called the Striped Cotton Shirt, Blue Cashmere Tailor Stripe in a size 2X. It is $59. I do have another dress that I'll show you what it looks like. It's too small. It was a little comical putting it on and attempting to button it up, but you know, I did it for the video. This is Vince Camuto in a size 2X, but look how beautiful. It's this like navy, almost like heather gray more I would say, and white collared striped button-up dress. It's got a tie on it. This was too small in the upper body portion. I think that my hips down buttoned fine, but it was just a little bit too snug. But this would be so cute in the summertime with like a big hat and some sandals, just like throw it on to go to lunch. This is called the Valiant Stripe Midi Shirt Dress, Vince Camuto, Pearl Ivory 2X, $154. Last outfit I didn't think was really an outfit that looked good together until I tucked the shirt in, and it was adorable. So let's start with these. These are like cropped wide leg linen pants. They are from the brand Madewell. I have one cropped sweater I kept from Trunk Club that's a Madewell brand, and it's so nice. I know Madewell is a little bit pricier too. Size 2X if I didn't say. These don't button or anything. They just slide up. So it was a little bit snug to get them over my hips, but once I did, I think they fit fine. I love that they have pockets. It's got this cute little button detail on the bottom. I had the same issue with these like wide leg. I wore a wide leg cropped jumpsuit while I tried it on in the Belk dressing room, and I thought it was really cute, but I don't really know what shoes to wear. I think that's my problem. Do you just wear sandals? I think you could wear like little heels with these, or sandals. These are called the Hudson Side Button Pull-On Crop Pants, Blue Vintage Rainbow Stripe in a size 2X. They were $75. And as you saw, I paired them with this blue and white stripe button-up top. The brand is Sanctuary in a size 2X. I love that this doesn't button up all the way, and that the buttons are almost like protected by fabric so that you can't see them. I think is really cute. However, this is one of those, like I just mentioned, that rolls up, and I could just see this like unrolling all day long and being very uncomfortable. So yeah, when I put this outfit on, I didn't think that it would look that great, and then I tucked this shirt in. I was like, okay, that's kind of cute with some slides. This is a great fit. I love the color. Y'all know I'm into like the blue and white pinstripe, but the only thing that's throwing me off is this. I know in theory I'll put it on and love it, but as I wear it throughout the day, I won't love it so much. So this is called the Miles Striped Tunic Top Sport Blue, $89. And I do have two pair of shoes as well. The first pair are these. They're from the brand 1901 in a size 9.5. They are leather. These were really comfortable. I love this on the inside. Blue and white pinstripe. Y'all know. I love it. These, I think, while they were really comfortable, I think I could use a half size up. You can kind of tell in the video that my heel reaches the very back of these. And then this side on my like pinky toe, it could almost come out. So I'm not really sure if I need a larger size. I don't know. Y'all let me know. But these were really comfortable and they're really cute. I always could use a pair of these like tan colored sandals with nothing on them, just plain. I feel like I would wear these all the time. So these are called the Taleah strappy sandals, size 9.5, tan leather, and they are $79.95. And the very last thing in my box are these adorable, like tan, chunky heel sandals, I guess. These are from the brand Vince Camuto. These are also in a size 9.5. I picked this color. I think Carson was initially sending me maybe a darker tan color, and I saw this color and wanted to try this one instead. This kind of strap I think is too tight on the top of my foot, but once I put them on, they weren't that bad. Like, they weren't uncomfortable to wear just around the house, but I don't know how they would feel actually wearing them out somewhere. Okay, I like these, don't get me wrong, but I ended up buying a pair of similar ones from Cato in black in store, and then I ended up getting a pair of like slate gray ones on Cato's website of the same style that I loved so much. So I don't know, I do need a nude color, but I believe these are kind of expensive. I think they're like $99. And so for that price, I don't know if I need these. Yeah, these are $99.95, ankle strap sandal, Moon Beach is the color. Yeah, for $100, I don't know if I need them, especially when I know I can find similar sandals for a fraction of the price. I mean, those black ones I got were $11.99, and then the gray ones I got online were $7.99. So that's a wrap on this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you liked, what you didn't like. I'll also leave a direct link to sign up for Trunk Club there. Check it out. I love Trunk Club. Stitch Fix and Trunk Club are probably two of my favorite boxes that I get. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.